Imagine the entire Earth as nothing more than a tiny dot. Now imagine the moon beside it, then the sun, then all 8 planets. And now, keep zooming out, because even our entire solar system is only a tiny neighborhood in space. So how big is the universe? And can we actually understand its size? Let's start with home. Earth feels enormous to us, but compared with the sun, Earth is tiny. The sun is about 109 times wider than Earth, and Earth sits about 150 million kilometers away. That's one astronomical unit. We call it 1 AU. It gives astronomers an easier way to measure our cosmic neighborhood. Now let's leave Earth. Mercury is closest to the sun. Then comes Venus, then Earth, then Mars. But the distances keep growing. Jupiter is already about 5 astronomical units from the sun. Saturn is almost 10 astronomical units away. Uranus is about 19 astronomical units away. And Neptune is about 30 astronomical units from the sun. That's roughly 4.5 billion kilometers. Light itself needs about 4 hours to travel from the sun to Neptune. And Neptune isn't the end. Not even close. Beyond the planets, there are enormous regions of icy objects. Farther out, the Oort Cloud may extend nearly a light year. Now we need a completely different measurement. The light year. A light year isn't a measurement of time. It's a measurement of distance. It's how far light travels in 1 year. And light is incredibly fast, about 300,000 kilometers every second. Yet even light needs years to cross between stars. Our closest neighboring star system is Proxima Centauri. It's about 4.24 light years away. That means the light we see from there started its journey more than 4 years ago. Imagine traveling that distance. Even our fastest spacecraft would need an enormous amount of time. And that's just the nearest star. Now look at our galaxy. The Milky Way contains hundreds of billions of stars. Our sun is just one of them. One ordinary star inside an enormous galaxy. And our entire solar system moves around the center of that galaxy. One trip around the Milky Way takes roughly 230 million years. Think about that. The dinosaurs lived and disappeared while the sun was still making its journey. But the Milky Way isn't the universe. It's only one galaxy. Our nearest large galactic neighbor is the Andromeda Galaxy. It's about 2.5 million light years away. That means its light takes about 2.5 million years to reach us. When we look at Andromeda, we aren't seeing it as it is today. We're seeing ancient light. We're looking into the past. And now, zoom out again. The universe contains an enormous number of galaxies. Some are spiral galaxies. Some are elliptical. Some are strange shapes, created by enormous cosmic collisions. And each galaxy can contain billions of stars. Some stars have planets. Some planets may have moons. And some of those worlds could have conditions suitable for life. The scale becomes almost impossible to imagine. But scientists have another term: the observable universe. This is the region of the universe whose light has had time to reach us. And it's enormous. Current estimates put its diameter at roughly 92 billion light years. That's not 92 billion kilometers, it's 92 billion light years. And remember, 1 light year is about 9.46 trillion kilometers. Now try multiplying that. The numbers become almost meaningless. But here's something even stranger. The observable universe may not be the entire universe. It's simply the part we can observe. There could be much more beyond it. How much more? We don't know. The The universe could be vastly larger than the observable portion. And scientists still don't know whether the entire universe is finite or infinite. That's where the story gets truly strange, because everything we've ever seen, every star, every planet, every galaxy, everything we've ever photographed is only what light has allowed us to see. And even that is enormous beyond imagination. Think about Earth again. Your city is tiny compared with the planet. Earth is tiny compared with the sun. The sun is tiny compared with the galaxy. The galaxy is tiny compared with the observable universe. And yet, everything you know, everything you've experienced, everything you've ever loved, happened on that tiny planet. That's what makes the scale of the universe so fascinating. It doesn't make human life meaningless. In some ways, it makes it even more extraordinary. Because somewhere inside this enormous universe, we are able to look outward and ask questions about everything. We built telescopes to see billions of years into the past. We sent spacecraft beyond the planets. We measured distances our minds can barely comprehend, and we're still learning. There are galaxies we haven't studied properly, stars we haven't discovered, planets we haven't seen directly, and questions we don't yet know how to answer. So how big is the universe? Bigger than our imagination can comfortably hold. And maybe that's the most incredible part. We are tiny. Our planet is tiny. Our solar system is tiny. Our galaxy is only one among countless others. But somehow, this tiny species on this tiny planet looked into the darkness and started asking, "What's out there?" And we're still searching for the answer. Because the universe is enormous. But our curiosity might be even bigger.